Introducing the new RC Drone V38, a state-of-the-art flying marvel that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a beginner, this drone promises an exhilarating flight experience for all. Here's a breakdown of its impressive features. Wi-Fi FPV Hover Camera HD 6K. Immerse yourself in stunning aerial views with the V38's high-definition 6K camera. Enjoy real-time first-person view, FPV, streaming directly to your smartphone or tablet via Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to capture breathtaking photos and videos from above. Pocket-sized portability. The V38 is designed to be compact and foldable, making it incredibly portable and easy to carry wherever you go. Its foldable arms and sleek design make it the perfect travel companion for capturing adventures on the fly. Remote control convenience. Take full control of the V38 with the included remote control, allowing for precise maneuverability and responsiveness during flight. The intuitive controls make it suitable for pilots of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. Versatile quadcopter design. Equipped with 4 powerful rotors, the V38 offers stable flight performance and excellent maneuverability. Whether you're performing aerial stunts or capturing cinematic shots, this quadcopter delivers exceptional agility and control. Toys gift for kids. The V38 isn't just a high-tech gadget, it's also a fantastic gift idea for kids and adults alike. Spark creativity and imagination as you explore the skies together with family and friends, creating unforgettable memories along the way. With its advanced features and user-friendly design, the new RC Drone V38 is more than just a toy, it's a gateway to endless adventure and exploration. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial footage or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, this drone is sure to elevate your outdoor experience to new heights.